I chose this because I wanted to do something hands-on. I just wanted to learn a trade or a skill that I could have for life.
It seemed the most interesting to me and seemed like the most diverse things that you could do, because there's a lot of fields in electrical. You can go into residential, commercial, you can do motors, generators.
I want to get on with the company and finish out my apprentice and then be a journeyman for a company.
I knew I wanted to do something hands-on and out in the field and a practical skill that I'd be able to use in my life.
Eventually I'll probably do electrical engineering.
There's a couple job fairs, there was a couple contractors that came by, so there's a lot of opportunities to go for companies that I wouldn't have gotten otherwise if I wasn't in the program.
I learned so much about wiring, about the way that electricity actually works and the way that switches and receptacles work, so I'm going to learn quite a bit. It's a really good class so you know what you're doing when you get out in the field. You'll have the basics. It helps you quite a bit when you're going out and getting started trying to find a job.